In today's video, I'm just going to go over one of the recent setups that we had in the trading room, and it's not quite done yet. You would be late to the party if you looked at it now, but it's not quite done yet. So let's see where it came from. This is a 30-minute chart of BIDU. One of the first price relationships that we looked at was this prior high to low swing, which was $7.30. Projected from the recent high, and this swing ended up becoming $7.33, which was very similar. It also just happened to overlap a 618 retracement of this prior swing. It also overlapped a 100% projection of this first swing down, projected from here. And then it also overlapped a 1272 extension of this low to this high, extended downwards. Okay, so that zone came in the 179, I believe it was 56 to 179.94 area. Now, it's already starting to play out. We've seen buy triggers against the support. We do have a higher target, though, that we're looking for if it does continue to play out as expected. And that would be the 189 area, which is the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So that would be target number 1. If we get the full move. And as far as, if you're not already in this one, how can you get in it? Basically, I would just want you to look at the next pullback, for example, maybe to this low, and define risk underneath there. Now, I can't set it up right now because we're pretty much on the highs and we need to actually have a pullback to set up a pullback. But what I'd be looking for is pretty much maybe some symmetry with these prior two declines projected from whatever the new high is, and then I would run a retracement, and then I would look at that pullback and see if it re-triggers an entry on the buy side. At that point, if it does, then I can define my risk underneath the pullback zone, or for example underneath this prior swing low, which, let me check and see where that comes in actually, at the 181.83 area. So I do want to look at the next pullback again in BIDU for anyone who's not in this setup already. And ultimately we're shooting for this target up here at 189.24, but I will consider myself wrong this setup and get the heck out of the way if we break this support here at the 179.56 to 179.94 area.